Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be swatching some gel polishes that I just got recently, and this is from the Manicure company. This is the Kaleidoscope collection. I bought two of these collections actually. I've got the Kaleidoscope collection and then I've also got Retro Rewind, which I will show you what it looks like in a minute. So this is what the Kaleidoscope collection box looks like. You can see it's got the details of the colors on the top, and you also get a swatching ring, which is amazing, so you can keep them all together nice and secure. This is the Retro Rewind collection, and these are very bright, very funky neon colors. These are going to be perfect for spring, summertime. I know I'm probably going to get a lot of requests for these during the warmer weather. It does have a very funky, vibrant feel to it. So this is what it looked like when I swatched them. So that one side is the shiny top coat and the other side is the matte. So that's just close up. The matte looks quite lovely as well. Okay, so let's get right into it. So like I said, I'm going to be swatching the Kaleidoscope collection with you, and you get 6 colors all in total. And the colors, the names of the colors are going to show up at the bottom of the screen as I'm swatching, but in the meantime I'll just let you know I cured all of these for 60 seconds in my LED lamp, although you can do a 30-second cure, but I thought I'll just do a 60-second just to be on the safe side. So yeah, enjoy these lovely colors and I will join you in a little while. Hi guys, I'm back. So I've just done the matte top coat and I thought I'd show you what it looks like when it's in the lamp curing. I just love looking at gel polish curing in the lamp. I know I'm strange. So yeah, here we go. This is what they all look like once they've been cured. I'm just buffing them up and I think they are super gorgeous. I'm really looking forward to using these in designs very soon. And yeah, the matte top coat doesn't look too bad either, I have to admit. It's got a very nice velvety feel to it. So here's the Kaleidoscope collection, and I'm just going to put the Retro Rewind collection next to it so you can have a look to see what they look like side by side. Let me know which one is your favorite, and I look forward to seeing you back soon in another video. Take care, bye!